What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah, yeah. Bruh.
Oh shit, not good.
Operation Troika was compromised, and all members of the platoon were either captured or killed. Held for 2 weeks, the location of the survivors is unknown. Find arms and escape as quickly as possible. Use any means necessary to ensure your survival.
The fuck?
العدو في القاعدة.
You're sick, you know that?
الخليفة جاهزة.
And then I'm gonna cut you open and choke you with your intestines. To be honest, the longer you stay alive, the bigger my paycheck will be. Anyway, if you want to live, I think you should answer him.
رأيته.
Oh, great. Now he's never gonna talk.
Hey, wake up! Oh, jeez. You're bleeding. I'll untie you. Looks like they've been harder on you this week. Can you follow my finger? Snap out of it and follow my gun. Good. Now get on your feet. I can't carry you. Come on! Over here! Hold back. I saw guards around here before. Let's see if we can get you a gun.
Oh shit!
Lady Luck's looking our way. Between this old wall and these explosive barrels, I think you can get us out of here.
Oh!
I don't have a shot.
Plug.
Enemy in the base! Now this is more like it. With every guard on alert, these AK-47s are a godsend.
Miguel! ¡Amo un enemigo de base!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
¡Alerta! ¡Refuerzos!
Bruh. Bruh.
Enemy in the base!
I see more enemy! ¡Alerta! ¡Refuerzos! I don't have a shot! Up there! I don't have a shot!
Bruh.
Targets at 2 o'clock!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
¡Oh, enemigo! ¡Estás protegiendo!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
I think this door will give. I'll just put some shoulder into it.
Bruh.
Help! Give me a hand! I can't hold on! Not the way I wanted to learn how to fly. How about we stick to the path?
What the hell? Oh my God, no
I don't have a shot.
way. Plug.
¡Ele está ali atrás!
They're coming through! ¡Oh, enemigo! ¡Estás protegiendo!
Which bumbo clock dog I? This man will wake up good enough. Give me a good blood clot dog. What kind of little bumbo clock dog this I'm a give? You can't back loud a blood clot. You can't defend me on me.
Up there!
Go ahead!
Hostile fire in front!
Oh shit!
Enemy in sight! Miguel!
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Bruh.
Plug.
Hostiles at your two!
Any more bullets! Any more bullets! Any more bullets! Any more bullets!
Enemy!
What the hell? Oh my!
Bruh.
The fuck?
Up there!
I don't have a shot!
Which bumbo clock dog I? This man will wake up good enough. Give me a good blood clot dog. What kind of little bumbo clock dog this I'm a give? You can't back loud a blood clot. You can't defend me on me.
Get ready to run. I don't know where we are, but I sure don't want to be here anymore. Son of a... It's an ambush! Get down!
Not good.
Newman, no! I don't have a shot! You'll make it! Just hold on!
Any more bullets! 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 Any more bullets!
Alerta! Reforzos!
Any more bullets! Any more bullets! Any more bullets! Any more bullets!